Navika Kumar is Rajiv Chandrasekhar with her political editor outside Parliament. Let's go straight across to Navika. She's looking at a message. Navika has been reporting non-stop on this story, and I think we are now coming to closure. What do you think, Navika, and what does Rajiv think?
I'm joined by Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Member of Parliament, and somebody who's been very interested in this entire Lokpal issue. Mr. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, do you think we're close to the closure of this entire debate that has been going on, and we finally will see some action in Parliament?
No, I think my hope is that we are close to this. I have been urging my own way in the last 48 hours to the government and representatives of the government that we must enter into a negotiation and request Anna ji to break his fast. We cannot put his life at risk anymore. And while everybody seems to agree on the principle that this needs to be debated in Parliament, we should take the next concrete steps of introducing these bills in Parliament and starting the debate.
But do you think there are some conditions that have been set by Anna ji, and that letter has been sent through Vilas Rao Deshmukh to the Prime Minister, where he said there are three conditions. One, that there should be a discussion on the Citizens Charter. The second, the inclusion of the lower bureaucracy. And third is the Lokayukta setting up. Now, are these difficult preconditions as far as the government is concerned?
No, you see, at the end of the day, it is for Parliament and the MPs in Parliament to agree to these things. And clearly, while Anna and his team have strong views on what is required for anti-corruption law, it is really incumbent on the MPs to also agree with them or not agree with them on certain points. I think the condition setting from Anna's team is coming as a result of these last few months of, let's say, a lack of trust between civil society and the government. And if the government today moves quickly and bridges that trust deficit and moves forward decisively and introduces these bills and these issues in Parliament, then the issue of trust that has been holding back a really reasonable conversation between civil society and government then gets put aside. And then the focus then moves to Parliament and the MPs. And then the spotlight is on which MPs agree with the basic principles of anti-corruption and which MPs do not, which political parties do and which political parties do not. The discussion must move there into Parliament, and the people who support Jan Lokpal bill and the principles of fighting corruption have to be separated from the people who do not.
Mr. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, today the entire Parliament, at least all political parties in Lok Sabha, have gotten together and unanimously appealed to Anna Hazare to withdraw his fast. Do you see that fast being withdrawn over the next few hours?
No, I think, look, I'm not directly in touch with Anna ji and his team, but I think they have gone on fast, or he has gone on fast for a certain set of principles. And unless the government assures them that those basic principles are being recognized, which the Prime Minister has graciously said today in Lok Sabha that he has accepted that Anna ji has made the point, and that point has registered within the government. And unless the government decisively takes the steps or gives an undertaking that these bills will be introduced in Parliament and a debate started on these bills, the question of just appealing becomes a sort of an empty appeal. Yes, we all believe he should not fast anymore, but the condition, the right set of circumstances to end his fast is really for the government to take the necessary action, necessary steps.
So there you have it, Mr. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, making it very clear that it is really stage for the government to start the debate on the floor of the House, so that people get the trust in the government that there is movement forward on this entire issue, which has made Anna Hazare go on the fast over the last 10 days. Back to you in the studio.
You are watching detailed coverage of the Anna fast.